To enable options in Robinhood, you need to have a Robinhood account and understand the basics of options trading. First, log into your Robinhood account using the mobile app or website. Navigate to the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap on it. From the menu, select Settings or Account Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Investment section and look for the Options Trading option. Tap on it to initiate the options trading application process. You will be asked to confirm your eligibility and agree to the terms and conditions of options trading. Next, you will be required to answer a series of questions to determine your investment experience and knowledge. These questions are designed to ensure you understand the risks associated with options trading. Be honest and accurate when answering these questions, as this will help Robinhood determine your suitability for options trading. Once you have completed the application process, Robinhood will review your account and may request additional information or verification. This process can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the volume of applications. If your application is approved, you will receive a notification and options trading will be enabled on your account. To start trading options, navigate to the stock or ETF you are interested in and tap on the Trade button. Select the Options tab and choose the type of option you want to trade, either a call or put option. Set the strike price, expiration date, and number of contracts you want to trade, and confirm your order. It is essential to understand the risks and complexities of options trading before enabling options on your Robinhood account. Options trading involves risk and can result in significant losses, so it is crucial to educate yourself and develop a trading strategy before getting started. Always set a budget, stick to your strategy, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.